Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syamimi binti Zainal Abidin. My metric number is 2011 and 44. So for today, I will do assignment 6 complex function. So the question is 0 to the 1 plus I x squared minus iy dz along the curve y equals to x squared. So first we need to do the differentiation. Z equals to x plus iy. We will got dz dx dz equals to dx plus I dy. For y equals to x squared, we will differentiate and got dy is equals to 2x dx. Then we will substitute. We will substitute dz with dx plus I dy and substitute dy equals to 2x dx. So for y, we will substitute a with x squared. So in the equation, we will got the variable for x only. Okay. Then we will do the factorization. We will bring out the dx. Next, we will multiply it and then do the integral. And lastly, we will got the answer. So this is the final answer, 5/6 plus I/6. Thank you.